Serendipity Veripress. How does it work? Veripress transforms print production by allowing precise soft proofing of post-strip data on calibrated monitors, eliminating the need for hard-copy proofs. Users connect to the Veripress server via networked Serendipity clients. Veripress works smoothly with major RIPs, ensuring proofing compatibility and accuracy. It processes jobs with post-strip data, ensuring consistency and integrity throughout the workflow. Veripress uses the RIP monitor module to display files pulled from configured RIPs. Users can manually select or automate job submission, with files submitted via drop folders, direct integration, or desktop shortcuts. Book Filter automatically arranges publication pages on screen using your press planning files, ensuring the right order, broadsheet pairing, and press orientation. Press Console integration lets operators load publication pages for soft proofing straight from the press console. After submission, files are processed in the imaging phase, including interpretation, imposition, assembly, and resolution adjustments. This creates an intermediate imaged file crucial for soft proofing. Imaged files are viewed using the SoftProof application to verify accuracy, make adjustments, and compare the screen directly to printed press material. Resubmitting files for processing is effortless, eliminating the need to respool or reinterpret the job. Veripress can securely send proofs via FTP to other Veripress remote servers globally. Serendipity remote proof files ensure full data integrity, preserving process, spot colors, and transparency. Remote users with matching press setups will see an identical, certified proof. The client interface provides monitoring and management capabilities for the entire workflow. Manage, pause, resume, or cancel individual jobs as required. Veripress stores configurations and calibrated color workflows, making backup and transfer simple. Ready to say goodbye to hard copy proofs? Experience the convenience of soft proofing with Veripress. Contact us today to learn more.